VP Constantino turns heat on ZVAITWA tycoons. By political correspondent, the 18th of August 2025, Harare, Vice President Constantino Chiwenga has intensified his anti-corruption campaign, directing fiery attacks at controversial property moguls, drug dealers, and so-called philanthropists, with flamboyant businessman Wicknell Chivio topping the list. Chiwenga, who has branded such figures as ZVAITWA dodgy tycoons, accused them of profiting from corruption while hiding behind donations. Zimbabwe cannot be held hostage by fake philanthropists who loot state resources and parade their wealth, he thundered, drawing loud cheers from supporters. Chivio, notorious for doling out flashy cars to clerics and socialites, has become a lightning rod in public debate, with citizens urging the VP to keep exposing the rot. Analysts say the anti-corruption warpath could reshape ZANU-PF's internal dynamics ahead of 2028, especially as questions linger over the nexus between politics, tenders, and illicit wealth. For now, Chiwenga's populist tone has resonated with a public weary of impunity, with ordinary citizens applauding his resolve to confront untouchables.